Hi everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can create a YouTube thumbnail that actually gets clicks. After watching this video, you'll be able to create any kind of thumbnail like you see on the screen right now. And we are going to see two ways to make this thumbnail. The first way is the manual method using Canva, and the second method is using AI. So first let's start with the manual method using Canva. To create thumbnail using Canva, just search for Canva and click on the first link and you'll get to this page. Now click on login and then log in with any of your accounts. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So once you reach here, just search for YouTube thumbnail and you'll see this option. Just click on it and this will show you multiple designs for your YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, we have got many designs to choose from, and some of these designs over here, the one where you see this crown icon, these are actually paid templates. If you're looking for the free option only, you can just select a thumbnail which does not have this crown option. I'm going to choose this one, passive income ideas. So this design I like, so I'm just going to choose it and then click on customize this template. Now what this will do is it will open that same template inside the Canva editor, and now we can start editing this thumbnail. First, we are going to do two things over here. First, I'm going to change the text, and next I'm going to change the image, and then I'm going to change the color. To change the text, you just select it over here like this, and then you just start typing the text that you want. I just changed the text. Next, if you want to remove any item on the image, you can just move it like this. You can move any item. If you don't want it, you can also select that layer and delete it. And I'm going to change this text also. This is how you can change the text on your designs. Next, I'm going to change this image. As you can see, this particular image has a transparent background. What I want to do is, before I can upload that image, I need to first make that image also transparent. But there are also options like this one over here, which does not have any face. So if you do not want to add your face, you can use this kind of thumbnail. But I highly recommend use your own face in the thumbnail. Right now, I have a photo of me which I want to add to the thumbnail. Let me show you that image. This is the photo which I want to add to my thumbnail. But as you see, we have a white background over here. We're going to use a free tool to remove the background first, and then we're going to upload our image over here. In order to remove the background, first open a new tab and then enter this website called as backgroundless.io. This is a free tool that will let you remove background from your images. Let me drag and drop the image over here and then click on remove background. Okay, so as you can see, the background has been removed. So let's download this. Once the image is downloaded, let's get back into Canva and click on uploads. So in this place, you will be able to upload your own images. I'm going to click on upload and then select the new image where we removed the background. I just uploaded. We need to replace this image which was in the template with our own image. All you have to do is just drag your image and then drop it on top of this image. As you can see, the image has been replaced. Now, all you have to do is just resize this image so that it fits this area. We have successfully changed the image and the text. Next, we are going to see how you can change the color which is there in the template. In order to change the color, just select the text where you want to change. Then click on this option and it will show you the all different colors. So just click on the current color and then here you can just select the color that you want. So you have multiple options. Now you can also paste your brand color code over here. I'm going to paste mine. And as you can see, the color has been changed. Similarly, once you add the color, it's going to get saved. And the next item that you want to change the color, you can just click on it, click on this color, and then choose the color which we just selected. Like this, you can do for all of the elements which are there on the page. Once all of the edits are done, you can just click on share over here and then click on download and again click on download. So this will download your edited image. As you can see, we have now got our finished image. This is how you can create a YouTube thumbnail manually using Canva. Next, I'm going to show you how you can create the same thumbnail using an AI tool. So this is going to be a much faster way to create your thumbnails, and it's going to require very much less effort. You also don't need to remove any background. Everything will be taken care by the AI. All you have to do is just give the title of your video and the thumbnail gets created. In order to create a thumbnail using AI, I have just given a link in the description, which is going to take you to a website called as GravityWrite. In this website, you'll be able to easily make thumbnail using AI. First, enter the title of your video. So this is my YouTube video title. So once I enter this, here I can upload my image. We already have an image that we want to add. So just drag and drop the image that you want here. Okay. So I'm going to choose this color as my brand. And next you can choose the theme of your thumbnail, whether do you want it to be dark or light mode. So I'm going to choose the light mode. And here you can choose the quality. I'm going to leave it at standard. And if you want to give some additional instructions like how you want the thumbnail to be, you can also enter that here. But I'm just going to click on generate thumbnail. The thumbnail has been generated. In order to see the thumbnail, just click over here. And as you can see, this is the thumbnail that got created. Now, all you have to do is just click on download and the image will be downloaded. So now if we open it, as you can see, this is the thumbnail which we just created. You can see how the thumbnail we created manually looks like and how this one looks like. So the next part, what I want to show you is, if you're someone who is making a lot of thumbnails, you can also save these settings in GravityWrite. For example, instead of uploading your brand color and the host image every time, what you can do is just select the brand name and select your host, and automatically all the brand colors, the image and the settings, the light mode or dark mode, all of the settings gets pre-filled. So in order to do this is what you need to do. Click on your name over here, go into manage brands, and here you can just choose your brand. And when you go to the bottom, you can see that I have already included a YouTube host. Once you add it here, it is going to show up in the YouTube thumbnail maker. So let me just edit this and show you what are all the options that I have preset here. I have entered my host name and host image, the primary color, and which mode I want, and additional instructions. You can enter all of these information, and once it is saved, when you go into the thumbnail maker, you will be able to automatically fill these details by selecting it over here. This is how you can save your details into this tool and easily generate future thumbnails. Okay, I want to show you some more thumbnails that were generated by this tool. So when you click on this, you can see I made a lot more different thumbnails in different colors. So this is the dark mode and this is the light mode. And you can see there's a lot of different variations that I've given here. I can also give some additional instructions over here. For example, here I gave an additional instruction like make the presenter hold a laptop. So as you can see, it automatically made myself hold a laptop. So these are all the things that you can do with this AI thumbnail maker. So one more awesome thing that you can do with this tool is that when you're generating the thumbnail, you can also upload a reference image from your competitor. And let's say this is your reference image. When you upload the reference image into this tool, you'll be able to copy the same reference and create your own thumbnail with your own face. So that is what I have done here. That's how you can create YouTube thumbnails using AI. And right now on GravityWrite, there's an offer going on. So make sure you click this link below the description and get this offer. Subscribe to us on YouTube and also join our WhatsApp community so that you can get updates on all the latest videos. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.